Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm unboxing the new Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra phone. This is a new release in Australia. It will be released on 10th of March, but it is only pre-booking at this stage. So this is the sky blue color and 1 terabyte. And the price in at the moment is $2,649 AUD in Australia, which is a pre-release price. And after 10th of March, they are going to increase it, which will be nearly $3,000. So I will be showing you what's the inside the box, how cool is the mobile, and on my YouTube channel I will be putting separate video on comparison between this S25 Ultra and S26 Ultra, whether you should upgrade or no, and plus I will be showing you the camera comparison also. So let me show you what's inside the box. So let me open up this box. Nowadays they haven't put up anything much in the box, not even the power adapter, which is very disappointing. When they are charging nearly $3,000 on the phone, they should at least provide that. So this is the mobile phone. This is the sky blue color. You can see the phone, the camera edges. So this is the phone. So if you see on the bottom, see there is a USB type C to type C charging cable, and this is the point where you put up the SIM card. This is SIM tray, and this is the speaker, and on the right side this is a power on button and plus volume up and down key, and this is just a microphone here, and on the left side there is nothing. So it is a bit nice and cool finish. And let me show you what else they have provided. So in this one, just some Samsung Care warranty they are selling, and this is the warranty papers, and then this is the package content list. There is nothing much. So, and plus this is the SIM changing pin, and plus thankfully they provided the USB-C. I think in the coming years they will be charging for this one also. So this is type C to type C charging cable, and for the power adapter, wall adapter, which is around 40 or 60 watt, you have to spend nearly $80 separately, which is a bit disappointing. And plus I have to purchase this cover, which is again $40 I have to spend. So these are the separate things which you need to buy. So let me set up, and then I will be showing you how good is the screen resolutions and the other feature for this phone.
dragonflies. Their flight is as close to perfect as it gets.
So this is the detailed product feature of Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra 5G 1 terabyte phone. So I have purchased this sky blue color, and the phone comes with the other colors also. There are three more colors. One is a cobalt violet, and then it has a black and white color. So 1 terabyte is costing 2649 AUD. This is the pre-order price, and 512 GB will be 2199 Australian dollar, and 256 also 2199 Australian dollar. So which mean when you are ordering 256, they will be supplying you 512 GB. So there is a double memory feature. At the moment they are providing this offer for double memory, and I am on the very popular website of Australia, which is jbhifi.com.au. And if you go down, see, so it is still pre 26 pre-order till 10th of March, and they have a quite a good interesting offer also, which means if you have any phone which has a whether it is working or no, which has a value of $1 or more, so the JB Hi-Fi will be giving you $300 extra. So it means like I have a A73 Samsung old phone which was valued $110, and plus I get $300, so I got total $410, which was quite a good deal. So, and now this is the detailed feature for this product. So this is S26 Ultra, your true AI companion, and make your everyday simple with Galaxy AI feature, all day performance, and battery is quite strong. So ultra fast charging battery, and plus 200 megapixel camera. So plus they have 6.9 inches display, and which is QHD plus screen with the inbuilt privacy display. So that is a new feature they have introduced, privacy display, which means let's say you're in the train, you are opening your bank account, so anybody next sitting to you can't see anything what you are doing on your phone, because otherwise your privacy is at stake. And ultra slim design. So in the box they provide handset, ejection pin, quick start guide, data cable C to C. So that is a thing, and this is the detailed features plus information from Samsung Galaxy website. So you can go through that one. Our privacy first privacy display on mobile, upscale viewing experience, and ultra fast charging, and up to 1 terabyte you can get model, and clear and bright even at night. So night view photography is also improved, and ultra high resolution with ultra 200 MP megapixel, and space zoom see in the unseen, and the AI feature you can do some kind of editing and those things, and you can see that. So these are a few of the frequently answered questions they have put up on the website. So it comes with the S Pen also. So you can read that those kind of things, and these are the specs. So which is Android Galaxy S26 Ultra, Samsung S series 5G, and dual SIM. So one is in a nano SIM and the other is eSIM. So let's say you are touring in overseas or any other place, so one SIM you can use a nano SIM, and the eSIM you can use when you are in overseas on holidays, those things. So color blue, and device size 6.9 inches, resolution pixels 3120 into 1400, and dynamic AMOLED 2x, adaptive 1 to 120 Hz, refresh rate, and touchscreen, internal storage 1 terabyte, and battery capacity is 5000 mAh, and face unlock is yes, fingerprint sensor is yes, and processor model they have given good for gaming, yes, and RAM is 16 gig, and rear camera is 200 megapixel wide, and then 50 megapixel ultra wide, and 50 megapixel is tele, and again tele 10 megapixel for tele 2.4. So front camera is 12 megapixel, and they have built-in flash, face detection, video recording ultra HD, and moreover you can do at 8K video recording also. And it has a Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and plus comes with the 2 years warranty. So this is what, as per the website, the detailed feature. So thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoy this video. Please put it in the comments if you are going to upgrade from S25 Ultra to S26 Ultra and why. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.